All considerations in the life science industry center around cost and patient safety. Meanwhile, external factors regularly impact the industry as changes occur in society, economies, the marketplace, government regulations, and technology. The Food and Drug Administration has induced pharmaceutical manufacturers to adopt process analytical technology through its PAT guidance, issued in September 2004. For the pharmaceutical and life science industries, this means changing nearly static manufacturing processes and production technologies that have been in use for decades. Why use PAT? Have a look. Processes in the manufacturing of drugs are highly complex. Process analytical technology incorporates inline, online, at-line, and offline measurements which enable a better understanding and control of these processes and real-time product release. By integrating the PAT methodology in the process design, you can improve prediction of your intermediate and final product quality on a real-time basis while decreasing risk and costs. This way, you obtain a quality by design approach. Now, what is SIPAT? SIPAT is the software solution from Siemens to support the application of PAT in the pharmaceutical and life science industries. It's the easy and reliable way to handle the growing volumes of data in the life science industry and bring them together in a structured way. SIPAT can be applied in research and development as well as in a manufacturing environment. In fact, it is closing the gap between these two areas as it transfers knowledge from research and development to production. SIPAT conveniently links all PAT analyzers and other PAT-related data into one single system architecture. SIPAT can fundamentally improve your production capacity by reducing waste and increasing production yield. Siemens was among the first drivers of PAT, including a close involvement of customers and regulators from the very first days. With its in-depth knowledge of the pharmaceutical and life science industries, along with its cross-industry know-how, Siemens has become an expert on process efficiency. So how does SIPAT work? It utilizes four main functionalities: data collection, data mining, monitoring and control, and reporting. Data collection captures online, offline, at-line, and inline data from various types of processes. SIPAT is capturing data from a complete scale of PAT analyzer types such as near-infrared, Raman, or particle-size distributions. The direct integration results in a very convenient data collection. Data mining is used to create different models for validation and prediction of product quality, converting process data into information on end product quality. The Runtime module combines online data acquisition and alignment with prediction of quality parameters for perfect monitoring and control of your processes. Finally, the SIPAT Report Manager reports all measured and calculated data from the operational execution of a PAT method. This functionality can also generate production release reports. Today, drug manufacturing processes are typically batch processes which suffer from extensive release procedures. The product quality is determined in post-production analysis, which means that it can take as long as 2 months for a batch to be released. However, with SIPAT, continuous manufacturing and real-time product release are no longer a vision. The Siemens solution is scalable and modular, and therefore ready for your market as the Quality by Design initiative expands. SIPAT offers a global PAT data management environment that is centrally managed yet can be used by multiple sites. As an open interface, SIPAT can additionally be adapted individually to your needs. The FDA's PAT guidance for pharmaceutical companies represents both a challenge and an opportunity. Change is good. See it as an opportunity. PAT is a true paradigm shift in pharmaceutical manufacturing and brings big potential advantages. PAT based on SIPAT pays off in many ways. It improves the prediction of end product quality, leads to a shorter time to market, and brings significant cost reductions, including work-in-process costs, scrap or rework costs, labor costs, quality costs, and regulatory compliance costs. With SIPAT, Siemens is setting standards for the pharmaceutical and life science industries in the 21st century. Siemens is the foremost consultant and project expert. Choose Siemens to make your pharmaceutical company PAT ready.